Look at this shit, man. They broke into my fucking car. You believe this shit, man? I'm gonna catch these motherfuckers, man. This shit was an inside job. I'm gonna catch them and blow them down with my fucking gun. Fuck that, I'm gonna get a bazooka. Fuck that shit. Look, there's fucking glass on the floor and shit, man. Shit was an inside job, man. I'm gonna wait down here until I fucking catch these motherfuckers. I don't care. I don't care if I get carbon monoxide poison. Yeah, I don't think they stole anything. Because we ain't have shit in here. But man.
There's so much evidence.
Motherfucker.
Evidence there.
Oh, you motherfucker lucky I didn't catch you. You lucky. I would have called the police so quick. Oh, your head would still be spinning. Oh yeah, did they steal my cable? Oh no, they didn't.
Better not.
They didn't steal none of the chargers. Okay, that's good. Aight. So they tampered with anything. Put a fucking car bomb in here. What if? Oh, I think I left that. Yeah. Move. Okay. They didn't steal the Clorox thingy. I don't think they stole anything. Did you steal your picture? Remember you had a picture back there?
Oh yeah, no, there is.
Oh, you just took it out?
Why would you want a picture?
Bye. I don't think they stole anything. Still got CDs. Bye.
Hi. Next time we're going to leave this bar, we have to take all the cables.
Still got our pencils in there.
¿Todo está ahí?
Todo está ahí.
Todo malo por quebrar el vidrio, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Ok. Entonces cuando vayas, por más te llevas el palomo.
Yeah.
Ok.
Okay.
Ya le cierras pues ahí.
Okay.
Te llevas a la chiquilla.
Okay. Doesn't even look like they took anything. I mean, they didn't, but it doesn't even look like they searched for nothing. What?
When you're coming for mommy in the white car, if she asks you why you're taking the white car, tell her,
The glass still fall?
oh God, yeah.
Yeah, glass. I think glass is still falling. Oh, fuck you, motherfucker. And if I catch you motherfuckers in here, I'm blowing your shit down, alright? Fuck you. I'm gonna go buy a gun right now. I'm gonna go buy a little shotty for you motherfuckers, alright? Oh, what's up, mother?
Century.
And fucking carjacker dead.
Okay, hurry, come on.
Or not carjacker, fucking car breaker inner guy. Fuck you. Again, if you fucking catch you, man, if I fucking catch you, I'm gonna blow your ass down. I got my shooter with me, man. He's got his fucking hood on. He's ready to go right now. He's gonna fucking blow your ass down. He's gonna carry the 40 cal with him, alright? Alright, man, fucking shoot your ass. Fuck you, bitch.